Hello everyone. This video I'm going to talk about, I'm going to unbox and show you my new Anconckton cash wallet. I shouldn't say new. Well, it is new. I just bought it, but it's my first ever cash wallet. Yeah, let's bring me back up. Sorry, forgive me. There we go. Give you a little. Okay. Now, I've opened the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. That's what it looks like inside the box. So let's see. First off, there's a card here that says, "Thanks." And inside it says, "Dear friend, thanks for purchasing our product. As a reliable seller, we are always striving to provide the best products and service that can meet customer satisfaction. We hope you can get a good shopping experience. 2. Are you satisfied with our products? I'll let that know later because I have to review it. I will review it after I've had it for a while. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by scanning QR code. We would love to provide free samples or discount products for you. We are looking for someone to be our new products tester. If you are interested, please scan the code and contact us. We will provide you with free new products to test." And because I don't want someone else to scan it, this is the back, but I'm hiding the QR code. Next, I will do this last. This is the wallet. See, the zipper looks really nice. The zipper looks really nice. Now, in the box is a strip of 24 labels. And a pen that even says Anconkton on it, with a lid. The binder portion. Let's take the plastic wrap off. Wow, it's quite the plastic wrap. And last but not least, out of the box is a card that tells you about the system envelope system and the envelopes and some other stuff. So let me undo this. And we will start with, we have these. Some of mine aren't even stuck. There we go. Nope. I'll have to find that. That went down to the ground. My sticky notes. And then on one side of these, it's the budget sheets that have date, description, balance, and amount, plus or minus, and a place to put the beginning balance. And on the back of them, it says monthly schedule. And you can put when things are due. And then the monthly envelope system sheet that tells you on both sides how it works, which is really good for someone like me. And then last but not least, there's 12 envelopes. There's one with ice cream cones and dessert stuff. And they all have the holes that you can push out. Then there is the paw print one. School type. Books, scissors, paper, and that. Another one, this one has pet stuff. Blueberries. Oranges. Different savings things or bills like PlayStation, tickets, phone. Plus, minus, divide, all different math symbols, sports stuff, food items, looks like a travelish one, and then stars. Oh, and I did say last but not least. That's not last but not least. We still haven't opened the wallet itself. There's a piece of foam. Now, there is a large pouch on either side there with $12 card holders and a change purse. And then on this side, there's that, which this binder ring goes in there. And this pen goes in the pen loop. Now, let me show you at least some of the and the little dots pop out real easy. This one doesn't have any dots out. So there, I just had to get one. Then the other ones, you just have to line them up. All right. Now, I had to take it out to do it. And if you look, the ring with all 12 envelopes, the rings are pretty full. And I haven't put any of the monthlies or the how to use the system in it. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to carry all 12 envelopes all the time, but there's still room, so. But there you go. Now, that's with all the envelopes. It's not that heavy. There we go. I will do a full review after I've used it for a little while. Peace, much love, and I hope that if you're thinking of an Anconkton cash wallet to start with doing cash envelopes, try it out. It seems so far to be a good starter. I will see how it goes. And the only thing that I really found, which could happen to anyone, is that these strips didn't stick. And I will contact them about that. All right. Peace. Much love. Bye-bye for now.